Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restore frame settings to default on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what we need to do is go over to Camera Hub, make sure that the device input is ELGATO Facecam Pro, and now go over to frame settings here. As you guys can see, now we need to click on this little icon and it will restore it to default settings. Now let me change it to some random settings, as you guys can see here. And now let me restore it once again to show you guys that it works. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.